The first conversion function we're going to talk about is the toNumber function. And this function simply converts some text to a numeric value. This function accepts 1, 2, or 3 parameters, so it is overloaded. The simplest one that we're going to go first through is the one with the 1 parameter. So in my example, I'm passing to my toNumber function 1 parameter, and this is a text parameter of a value 234, but as said, this is in varchar format. So when I execute this, the function gets the text 234 and returns the number. So very simple. Of course, the database could recognize this and make an implicit conversion where it's needed. But as said in previous lesson, it is highly encouraged, specifically on the job and in production code, to use the explicit conversion. In my second example, I'm passing into my toNumber function 2 parameters. The first one is the text, which I want to convert to a number, and the second parameter is the mask. By this mask, the database engine knows how to convert the number. So in my case, I have a currency sign in front of the number in the text, and we can see the thousands are separated by comma, and we have a period to specify the decimal value. And in my mask, I'm using the same format. I'm using the digit 9, which is a mask for any number. So when I execute this, the database knows how to convert this text, and it will return number format. But what if we do not use dollars, but some other currency? In this case, we are introducing a third parameter, which are the NLS parameters. And one of those is the currency. In this case, my text passed into the toNumber function has a prefix of euro sign. And in my mask, I'm using the L, which shows that I'm using a local currency. Since my database is set up so my local currency is dollar, I need to specify with which currency it will deal. And I'm doing that with an NLS parameter, and I'm passing it in as NLS currency equals and the euro sign. Now my database will know how to parse and convert this number. So when I execute this, we get the number value back. In some cases, the thousand, comma, and a period for decimal numbers can be switched. This is specifically for some countries. And with the NLS parameter, we can switch those signs how we want. In this case, the third parameter is NLS numeric character, and I'm switching the decimal point with a comma and the thousands separator with a dot. So when I execute this, again, I'm gonna get the number value back. Also, notice that in this case, I'm not using for my format model the dot or the comma, but I'm using the G and the D. This is to point out so that the database engine knows to format. Regarding the formatting model, in the resources of this lesson, I included a table of all of formatting models with examples that can be used in the toNumber function. So be sure to check it out and at least scroll through it, although mostly used are that we covered in these examples. Again, practice this thing out as this question will for sure come at the exam, and see you in the next one.